Hello, it's me again. This video is a tiny shop tip. It's freezing cold in here. It's -7 out in Canada. I don't know what the American system is, but anyway, it's probably cold as hell. But yeah, Arco asked online for a tip on how to do something, and I'm going to give my suggestion on how to fix that problem really quick. So if you hold on to your whatever, I'm going to tilt the camera down and I will show you how. Or at least I'll show you my idea how to fix it. Alrighty. The question at hand is how do you clean, I'll put my glove on for this, how do you clean all the pubic hair off your welding magnets? Well, my first shop tip is when you hold on to them, wear gloves, because sometimes some of the shit on here that I use, some of the stuff on my magnets come from the milling machine, and boy, they make horrible things. But like, I agree, it's a pain in the ass. They get all stuck. I mean, I threw this one on the floor just as an example. But a simple way to clean them is take one of these suckers and go. See, run right down there, clean as a whistle. Right down there, clean as a whistle. Easy peasy. That's how I clean welding magnets. See, just run it right like that. I normally do this over a trash can. Of course, I should do this. See, right like that. Once wipe, clean as a whistle. Get that one done. Do small ones, same thing. Just brush them off. Wire brush. I'm guessing you could use a nylon brush, but who the hell uses a nylon brush on a welding machine? This one, look, clean. You could go like this. I usually do this. If the brush is a little softer, go like that, it all comes up. Go like that. Actually, I usually use in the corners, and then just swipey swipe and clean magnet. Simple. Gotta have one of these though. I'm guessing one a little soft. This thing brush is old, but you can spend all day doing this. Comes off pretty quick. So Arco, if you're watching this, and I know you probably will, because you're probably the only person that clicked the little bell, that is my suggestion, my shop hack, shop tip, whatever you want to call it, for cleaning these little magnets. You can just run right down the middle here. Shing. So you just, right like that, clean as a whistle. And you can just do another one, see? I threw them on the floor just for this thing. But I don't know where I picked this up, but I too used to sit there and use I used to use towels, and then one day I think this was the only thing in reach, and I just went, you know what, let's try this out. And ever since then, this is what I used to clean. I usually do it over, like I said, do it over a trash can, because you'll end up with this mess like here. But that's my shop tip on how to clean magnets. But like I said, if you do a lot of any machining or any little bits, or use a nibbler or anything, forget it. You wear a glove, because I mean, even when I'm welding, I wear gloves using these anyway, because sometimes the magnets get really hot and then burns the magnet out. So I hope that helps.